What's going on, guys? We have started today with some shenanigans. Stock wheel. My other wheel, let me show y'all. It's done. Out of there. It's losing air. Which I knew that was gonna happen soon. I knew I was pushing it kind of close. But on another note, we're actually going to go pick up some stuff for the 240 today. We're gonna go get some seats and maybe something else for the interior if they have it in the car. I'm not sure. We're gonna kind of go and see what he has because he's kind of just parting out a 240. So whatever parts I see I can grab, I'm gonna get. But I know for sure I'm going to get the seats because that's what I hit him up for. So for sure we're getting seats today. Anything else is just extra. So we're finna drive out there and go take a look and pick up our seats. And I'm excited. So let's go. Alright guys, we're back home. I got the seats. These look way better than the ones that are in the car now, trust me. My seats literally look brown. These actually, you can see the blue tint in them still. We got those, and I got that gauge bezel piece, whatever, that goes over the steering wheel. Wait, this thing, I got this also. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead, get all that put on. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Yes, sir. That's the thumbnail right there. That was Tyler, by the way. Y'all remember him from a few videos ago. He's here today to help us. So, let's go ahead and get all this stuff out the car. Alright, so these are the seats. Got them out the car. As y'all see, these are so much better. Actually have cushion support, unlike these nasty and gross and disgusting. And just, that's literally the metal brace right there. Like, that's, bruh. And that one's just dirty, super gross. Like, no. So, we're gonna go ahead and replace them. We're gonna vacuum these out and then clean them up a little bit. Get I'm gonna see if we have some kind of like cloth cleaner and we can wet vacuum. And then we're gonna throw them in the car. And it'll look so much better, dude. Like, so much better. Like, ugh. I'm also gonna take out this center console while we're doing that. I'm gonna paint this black, like I was saying, because I don't like this red. I don't like it. I'm not feeling it. Thought I would, but I'm not. So we're gonna just get it all black and we'll be done with that. Alright, we got one. I'm finna see if I can one-hand this one. Hold up. We finna one-hand this bad boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. I just got injured. I'm out for a year. No, but the seat... So what's going on right now is the new seat we got, the back, let me show you. Right here, where you see there's two bolt holes right here, right? But on this side, they are completely rusted out. Because, you see, it's still right there. So, like, what we're doing, switching this back from our old seat and just sliding it onto there, because I mean they're the same and they bolt up the same. Granted, this back is terrible, but I mean this is the driver's seat that's like that, because it literally wouldn't, you can't put your back against it and it would just fall back. Like, it just falls back. So, you know, that one needs to have support, of course. So I'm putting the driver's side one onto there and we're just gonna kind of, you know, make it work. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder, do you think we could put the passenger side one onto it? Because the back should actually be the same, right? We could actually probably put the passenger side one, and that one actually has some... This one actually has some, you know, structure and cushion and stuff still on the back. So we actually might... What I actually might do, we might just cut our hands on this one for no reason, because we can actually use this one because it's actually better. That's tough, because I really just got an injury from that, but whatever. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what happened, because these right here, these were right in there. These are what were caught on the bolts, so we couldn't get the seat. That's why the seat wasn't securing or catching on anything, because it was literally just moving back and forth just like that. So yeah, like it literally just, like he said, it literally made like a hole in here, as y'all see. So we got these. That's from the old seat. We're just gonna swap it over, and it'll be good. Just, you know, good as new. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. All right. So as you see, we got two different color, like, you know, back in the bottom part, but the seat at least lets you sit in it now. Because at first, whenever you would sit in it and like literally put your back, it would just go back like as if it was reclining, you know what I mean? And now we can actually sit in the seat. So that's what we gotta do. But yeah, here's the seats took apart if you want to see that. I don't know if y'all are interested in that. So we got that out. We're about, like I said, we're about to clean the seats up before we put them into the car. And then we have the center console out right here, and I'm gonna respray this black. And then this is gonna get put in as well. I thought I had the switch right here, the headlight switch. I thought I had one on my broken one that we have over here, but it turns out that this is also missing on that one over there. So I gotta order a freaking headlight switch, but it's whatever. At least we gotta put together one of these. So I'm gonna clean it off and then put it in the car. After one cleaning, this looks actually a lot better. It's, you know, you can see the color in it now. We're doing this one right now. This one looks a lot better too. As you see, you know, it's gonna take a bit because these are old, and I'm pretty sure that those seats have never been cleaned in their entire life. So that's like 31 years of just grossness and sitting in the seat. So it's gonna take a little bit to get them at least a little bit looking different, but mostly I'm just trying to clean them out because I needed these to replace those old seats, but until we get our actual buckets that we're gonna get, so it'll work for now. All right, wait, hang on, let me switch this light. All right, so dang, that doesn't help. Well, we got the seat in. It took a minute because for some reason this seat wasn't just like lining up as easily as that passenger one. I'm gonna go show y'all that one in a minute. But we got it in. I mean, they're kind of wet, so I can't sit in it yet. Well, I can, but I'm not about to because my butt's wet already from testing them earlier. So, but as y'all see, we got them in. Looks way better, dude. Like, look, compared to what they were, dude, that's so much better. And I could not be happier. So we're gonna finish that up. I have the center console. Let me show you guys. I got the center console right here, all blacked out now. Gonna throw that back in the car, and then once that's in the car, pretty much the interior done, because I did get this in. I got the bezel piece in. You know, that's in now. I'll probably wait until tomorrow, like in the morning, to actually come outside and show y'all it with some sunlight, so I can actually see. And plus, the seats will be dry, and I can actually sit down in it, give it a real test and everything. So this night has ended. All right, what's up, guys? It's the next day. I'm gonna show y'all everything that we did yesterday with some lights, so y'all can actually really see, because I know y'all probably couldn't really see everything that we did yesterday. So Let's see. Okay. So here's the center console. We got that nice, clean. I got some clear coat on it and everything, so it's ready to go, get put back in the car. I'm not gonna do it today, but well, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do it today because I gotta get ready to go to work. But let me undo the 240, just the front door real quick so I can show y'all. All right, and here's the inside. You know, we got the new seats in. Like I say, way better, man. Like so much better. Okay, we got some like dusty stuff, but so much better. We're able to actually, you know, we can get in, sit, got nice. So seats are definitely way better because those actually have cushion in them, so they're not so hard and they actually have some support. So that's great. So we have that done, and this interior is one more step to being complete. Oh, let me show y'all the front bezel as well. Okay. So, like I said, we have this in here now too. We got the little switches and stuff. I'm ordering a new headlight switch because, like I said, I thought I had it and I don't. But I'm ordering a new headlight switch, but we got everything. We got this in here. So, like I said, this interior is really coming together. All we really got to do now, I'm going to put my center console back in. We got to get, you know, we got to get this stuff that goes right here. Like, you know, these little AC vents that controls and a radio. And really, once we do that, everything is gonna be ready because I have carpet. I don't remember if I showed y'all yesterday, but we have carpet right here for the inside, for the front and the back. So literally the interior is going to be done except for the door pads, like the little door cards. I'm gonna just find some of those, you know what I mean, which isn't a big deal. And then the interior is pretty much done. Like, we got a full interior then. So you know, it's coming along. If you guys are enjoying content with the cars, whether it's the Focus or the 240 or both, or if you just like looking at my beautiful face, hit subscribe, hit the like button. If you want to leave a comment, go ahead, do that. I like having comments, you know. I like the comments. I like talking to you guys. So leave a comment and, you know, ask me a question or just say something. I don't really care. I just want to talk to you guys. So again, please make sure y'all are subscribed. We're almost at 200. I checked earlier, we're at like 191. So if you are not subscribed, hit subscribe so that way I can thank you beautiful souls for all subscribing and for getting me to 200. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So make sure you guys stay safe as always and just be productive, guys. Don't just sit around, don't do anything. Do something today towards your goal. Or if you're watching this like super late at night, tomorrow do something towards whatever goal it is you have. And I will see you guys next video. Peace.